Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by validating input and declaring the function. Choose iterative versus recursive depending on size and readability. Once chosen, check that n is an integer and n greater or equal to 0 because factorial is undefined otherwise. Make sure to handle 0 and 1 immediately. Return 1 for those. Now write the function header, function factorial, n, and include an early guard that throws or returns for invalid inputs. This prevents wasted computation and clearer runtime behavior. You implement the core logic next. If you use recursion, define the base case. Return 1 for n == 0 or n == 1, then return n asterisk factorial, n1. If you prefer iteration, initialize an accumulator to 1 and loop from 2 through n, multiplying each step. This avoids call stack limits. Once done, consider precision. JavaScript number overflows after about 20, so use big int for large n, or switch algorithms for huge inputs to You finalize the function by returning the computed result, and if you used big int, convert to string for display when needed. Then write quick tests, n = 0, 1, 5, 10, 20, and include invalid cases like negative or non-integer inputs to verify guards. Make sure to export the function if you need it in modules. If something goes wrong, check types with typeoff, add console. Log checkpoints, and watch for stack overflow with deep recursion. Switch to iteration in that case.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.